My name is John Bowman. I am the president of Eagle Engineered Solutions. The workforce is clearly one of our largest challenges, and now we're trying to grow, and it's all about finding talent. And at the national level, at the corporate level, it's really tough to do that, and you have to have somebody, a partner that's local, that knows the local environment.
My name is Bill Buckley. I'm Vice President and CTO of Eagle Engineered Solutions. I found out about the ASPECT program through our local area development foundation president, Jeff Gotke. He described it to me, and we were at a point in our hiring practices where we exhausted our friends and family network, and we were looking to expand our reach into the community to hire qualified employees, and the program sounded like a good way to do that. If someone is willing to really take the initiative to better themselves, they're really setting themselves apart from other people out there just looking for a job. So by participating in the ASPECT program, I think they truly did set themselves apart and put them on a higher level for us, interviewing them too, that hey, we would take that person over just someone knocking on our door. Have you been through the ASPECT program? No? Well, I'd take the ASPECT program person first.
If it wasn't for the ASPECT program, I would not be here. So thank you for the ASPECT program. I appreciate that, because I love this job.
I would most definitely recommend this program to other manufacturers. It's really benefited us, and I actually not only would recommend, I would encourage other manufacturers to get involved with the ASPECT program, because I think, giving the candidates who are involved in the program, more opportunities to see what manufacturing's about. It's not sparks flying, a dangerous situation, smoke, and manufacturing today is a lot different than what it was 1900. So we're in the digital age. I mean, we do a lot of CAD computer work that it's just a different environment than what it was years ago.